Hello everyone and welcome to this new video. Today we're going to look at Odin's risk management feature, specifically the ability to lock your account for a set period of time.
So there are several things to say about this account locking. Firstly, it's a feature available on Odin Pro, but secondly, it's located here and here. So in these two tabs, the lock icon and the shield icon, the first thing to mention is that if you want to manually lock your account, you will go here. You'll then be able to specify that you want to lock your account for the entire Asian session, the London session, or the New York, which is the American session. Or perhaps you wish to lock your account until, let's say, you've been through a very difficult time and you want to lock the account until the 14th, alright?
Well, you click I understand and lock, and it locks.
And lock it until your set date.
You can also lock your account for 30 minutes, 1 hour, 3 hours, or until tomorrow. This can be extremely useful. For example, if you've made enough profit, you lock your account until tomorrow, and it's absolutely impossible to trade from that point on.
You can also define a custom duration. For example, I'm going to say I want to lock my account for the next 2 minutes for the video example. I click on I understand. Lock, and there we go. My account is locked, so I can't place any orders. If I try to place market buy orders like this, you see an error message appears.
I have my timer right here and I cannot, this is very important, I cannot remove my account lock.
This means that even I, as the platform's administrator, have absolutely no means to unlock this account until this timer finally expires. So it's something that is very beneficial for your risk management since you can't access the account, basically. I should also point out that if by any chance you inadvertently lock your account, it's also not possible to unlock it.
So really exercise extreme caution. However, in this situation, you always retain the option to reduce your position.
What do I mean by that? If, for example, you have an open position and you lock your account, but you weren't paying attention and you're actually still in a position and want to get out.
It is always possible to place an order that will reduce your position.
Meaning that Odin will never prevent you from exiting or reducing an open position. This limit we have here is simply a restriction on orders that would result in the creation of a brand new position. The second way to lock your account is with risk management. So for that, I'm going to activate, my risk management.
And for risk management, there are several things to mention. First, we have daily stop loss and take profit.
Let's say I set this to 500 and this to 500. Okay, you can define an action when reached. Flatten your account. So my account lock ended. It's over now. I can retrade on the account, so I can flatten all positions when my TP is hit or lock it until tomorrow. And I can also have trade limits. So there, I can say that I only want to place, for example, 10 trades per hour.
We can say that, or 20 trades per day, or even 100 trades per week.
Okay, so here I'm limiting myself to 100 trades per week. And what would happen if I reach these limits? Well, your account would be locked until the next hour, until tomorrow if you hit your daily limit, or until next Monday if you hit your weekly limit.
So there you have it. This is truly something that's extremely beneficial for you.
You see, today I've already made 4 trades on this account and 5 trades this week. So if I happen to hit my 100, I'm blocked for the week and I'll be back next Monday. And finally, to show you to finish this video,
if I set a PNL of minus 123, I'll set a stop at 100, okay? Now I'll just make a trade to update the system.
There. So I will place a trade and then close it out.
There. Oh, my apologies. It worked, though with a slight delay. But as you can see, my account remains locked for another 5 hours and 40 minutes, simply because in 5 hours and 40 minutes, the American session concludes.
So I hope you enjoyed it and found it useful. See you in the next video.